The struggle for mass recognition between Ethereum and Cardano has become a hot topic among crypto pundits, traders, and media outlets. Various articles speculating on the competition between Ethereum and Cardano are at every corner of the internet. Optimistic crypto investors think Cardano will eventually be the Ethereum killer, while realistic crypto analysts believe that it is no match for Ethereum. A famous crypto expert has expressed his stance about this, and it looks like it is the final say. In recent times, the Ethereum killer has been widely recognized for its ups and downs. The story of how it hit an all-time high of $3.10 with a market cap of $97.52 billion and speculations of a smart contract launch, and how it managed to mount the position of third cryptocurrency by market cap has always drawn a great deal of attention. In the same way, its disappointing retreat from the all-time high and pullback from being the third cryptocurrency to the 8th position is on everyone's lips. As a result of relative newness of cryptocurrencies and the general crypto space, it is difficult to determine with any degree of certainty to the extent of which any coin will perform in the future. Both Ethereum and Cardano will certainly be a part of the future cryptocurrencies if they continue to evolve and demonstrate their areas of strength, but to answer the question of which cryptocurrency will surpass the other still seems to be hanging in the air. Well, regardless of predictions, a major fact still stands. Cardano is not going to surpass Ethereum overnight. Even the most optimistic of Cardano supporters hold on to the fact that Cardano will only potentially surpass Ethereum within 6 to 10 years, not earlier. A controversial YouTube crypto influencer, Bitboy Crypto, has caused quite a stir on Twitter with his prediction about Cardano and Ethereum. He has gone ahead to express that Cardano will end up surpassing Ethereum by market capitalization and user base, and with a realistic mindset, he forecasted that it could happen in the next 6 years. He further explained that the roadmap for the full rollout of Ethereum 2.0 would be delayed, thus strengthening Cardano's chances of taking over. I officially now believe that Cardano will eventually pass Ethereum in market cap and users. It won't be so soon, but ironically, the slow roadmap for the full Ethereum 2.0 rollout will be the Achilles heel. Timeline 6 to 10 years. He tweeted on October 15th. Even the Cardano creator believes that Ethereum could witness a liquidity crisis soon. Ethereum is the Hotel California of cryptocurrencies. You can check in, but you can't check out. You will have less and less Ether trading in the marketplace. And then what will ultimately happen is you will have a liquidity crisis where a lot of volatility comes in, he recently stated. It is essential to note that Bitboy Crypto, also identified as Ben Armstrong, is a leading model of crypto influencer who wields significant power in the crypto space and the go-to source for the latest crypto trends. His prediction about Cardano surpassing Ethereum seems difficult to believe, but his past records have earned his claims a sense of validity. It will be fun watching Cardano ADA play out his words in the next 6 years. Armstrong's predictions was magnified by some overly optimistic members of the Cardano community, who strongly believe that such a feat is a real possibility in the long term. But his tweet also attracted the attention of the Ethereum community, who came up with tongue-in-cheek responses. Intellectuals continue to embrace Cardano, Nansen's Alex Shvanovic quipped. The skeptics seem to be missing the big picture. Bitboy Crypto has somewhat of a notorious reputation in the crypto world, and it is quite dangerous to take his words with a pinch of salt. But this does not also suspend the fact that many in the crypto space do not take his predictions seriously, given the nature of his conduct and preferences. He recently soiled his good name when he sued a fellow YouTuber over an allegation of promoting fake crypto projects. However, attention should be fixed on Cardano ADA to ascertain whether it will live up to the predictions of the crypto expert, who seems to have some loopholes in his reputation. Cardano needs to develop at a faster pace than Ethereum to first make up for a substantial gap in market capitalization when compared with Ethereum. Then, Ethereum will need to fail as much as Cardano will need to succeed, and this could happen anytime soon. The Ethereum founder, Vitalik Buterin, has acknowledged that the merge is not yet complete, and no one knows how long it will take for Ethereum to finalize its full transition to Ethereum 2.0. According to some crypto analysts, the full upgrade won't be ready for another 5 to 10 years, and the blockchain is still in its first stage of long multi-stage process. If Ethereum gets choked with the series of messy upgrades and missed timelines, Cardano could get in the spotlight. But is there a guarantee that this will happen? There needs to be another strategy. From Silicon Valley, one of the most famous business ideas is the theory of disruptive innovation. This theory is the type that drives away market behemoths and establishes challengers as the new industry leaders. Incumbent business leaders tend to ignore this concept because they perceive it will be non-profitable. Here is why Cardano's claim of being a financial operating system of the world sounds so intriguing. It is similar to the makings of a disruptive innovation strategy. If Cardano focuses on this, investors can start to see a scenario where it might drive away a market behemoth, which for now is Ethereum. However, a lot of things must go right for Cardano for this scenario to play out. Currently, Cardano is one of the leading blockchains with the most active developer count. It was ranked first, with Ethereum occupying the second position. Various analysts have mocked Cardano for its lack of activity and nicknamed it a ghost chain, but recent events reflect that it has become a network with a plethora of developer activities. Developers are showing a strong commitment to the network by creating new products and improving the features of existing products. The Plutus script is a sign of development activity in the Cardano ecosystem, and recent data from IOG stated that there are 102 projects on the network, although it is struggling to maintain a bullish run at the moment. But it is time for the Cardano community to do their victory moonwalk as soon as the network makes its way to the top with daily development activity. Also, Ethereum and Cardano are decentralized platforms, but they differ in many significant ways. Ethereum is known for its relatively quick pace of developmental approach, although it is frequently plagued by certain drawbacks for moving too quickly. In contrast, Cardano relishes taking its time to properly assess and update its tech through a peer review process before implementing. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, prefers this process to ensure reliability and stability, regardless of the complaints of being unnecessarily slow. The Cardano's vassal hard fork and Ethereum merge event have been a transition for the entire crypto space. These events have attracted several investors. Cardano will have a smoother journey if Ethereum ends up experiencing a liquidity crisis. The Ethereum killer will definitely touch the range of trillion-dollar market cap, surpassing Ethereum. Simply put, Cardano will leverage Ethereum's weakness to carve a successful niche for itself. Remember that one has to fail for the other to thrive. This is not the first time the famous YouTuber will air his bullish opinions about Cardano ADA. In a video with CryptoJeb last year, he explained that the ADA coin price had the potential to reach $8 before the end of the altcoin cycle because the blockchain project was already garnering institutional interest. According to Bitboy Crypto, similar projects like Polkadot and Elrond also have a place, but a major focus is on the two crypto giants, Cardano and Ethereum. Quote, "I love Cardano. I think Cardano and Ethereum are going to be around for a long time. I think Polkadot factors in somewhere, but I really personally believe more in Ethereum and Cardano. I think Polkadot has a place, I think Elrond has a place, and Solana has a place, but I think we are looking at two giants here, and I think they are going to remain that way," he said. Charles Hoskinson has also not failed to keep quiet about Ethereum's flaws, especially the ones which have invaded the network following a major upgrade. According to Hoskinson, a major issue was with its locking mechanism, which prevented investors from withdrawing their stake Ether from the beacon chain on completion of the next upgrade. This is where he labeled Ethereum as the Hotel California of crypto. Whatever you think about the supremacy of either Cardano or the Ethereum blockchain, always remember that the golden rule of investing: keep your eyes on the long term and never invest money you can't afford to lose. But for now, we can only hope that Bitboy Crypto is right. But what are your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.